Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin, pattern and password. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forget pin, pattern or password. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, so don't worry about that. By the new method what I'm going to giving in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but watch this video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work in your phone. Before revealing this video, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method of unlocking phone. Okay. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos, and for this you must subscribe to this channel. And if your phone is unlocked due to the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further these type of help to you. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, so you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind, my friend. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, as you see in the thumbnail, this is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone should be on offline mode. Now you can see, my friend, my phone is on Wi-Fi network. You can see here. So all the network like telecommunication or Wi-Fi network should be closed. So firstly, I will have to close this Wi-Fi network. For this, I will have to slide my phone downside like this. You can see here there are lots of keys. Now you can see there is an option of airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to click on this option to close all the network like Wi-Fi network, telecommunication network. So now I have clicked on this option. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed now. Now the first method has been completed. Now the second, you will have to close all the running application before your phone was locked should be closed. Okay, so generally it is not possible when your phone is locked. It's not possible to close all the running application before your phone is unlocking. Okay, so there are some secret code which generated by the service center to close all the running application in the lock mode of phone. Okay, so this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days, and if your phone has been unlocked with this secret code, then it's okay. If your phone could not unlock with this secret code, then you may take help of my upcoming next after 1 or 2 days after videos. Okay, so this secret code, how will you feed this secret code? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now my phone has been pattern locked and I have forgot this pattern lock. So simply you will go with the emergency call option. You can see here there is an option of an emergency call option. When you will click on this emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I am going to give you this secret code. Today's secret code is *555 then star then 800 then hash. Now I have dialed my secret code which is used to close all the background running application. Okay, now you will have to dial this secret code with the dialing button. You can see here you will have to call on this secret code. You may also take a screenshot for the further use of this secret code, because these type of secret code updates after 1 or 2 months. Okay, so you will have to call on this secret code. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed like this. You can see here, but simply you will have to ignore this with the OK option, and you will have to repeat this process 3 times, 2 and 3. Now your all the running application of a background has been closed. Now it means your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. So now you will have to clear this secret code from the dialing pad like this. Now the secret code by which you can reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode, that is *899 then hash. Now you can see after dialing this number, you reached to the page of engineer's mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. So you can see here there are lots of options from top to bottom. You can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th position. You can see here. So you will have to go with this option. So when you will click on this option, you will get a such type of page. There are lots of options also. you can see at the first number my phone's model number, that is RMX212117. So just ignore this option. You can see here second option, that is Android version 12. It may be your phone showing here Android version 13, Android version 10, Android version 11, and if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to click on this option 11 times rapidly, like this. What I'm going to do here, so I'm going to click on Android version 12 time here, because my Android version is 12. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now my first process of unlocking method has been done. Now simply I will have to go with the back button like this. When I go with the back button, I reach to the previous page, and there is another option above the software version. You can see here the option is manual test. So simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to this page. You can see here assembly test project. There are also lots of options, but you don't have to go with any option. You will have to simply slide your phone's right side slider like this until you reach to the other option. Now you can see there is an option of other. You can see here there are also lots of options over there. You can see here that the first number, that is a screen backlight test, and the second option is read write important log test. The third option is key status, and the fourth option is database version. So you will have to go with the fourth option, that is database version. So it may be possible your phone will show here mainboard version, okay, but both have the same function but the different name, so ignore the name. Okay, now you will have to click on this database version 9 times rapidly, like this. What I'm going to do here, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second process of the unlocking method has been done, my friend. So be careful about the every step. Don't skip any step. If you are going to skip any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock. Okay, so now the third step, you will have to go with the option read write important log test. You can see here at the second number, the option is read write important log test, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm as pop-up. Okay, but you don't have to confirm with confirm this option with the OK button. You will have to confirm this with the cancel, and repeated you will have to repeat this process 3 times continuously, 2 and 3, but at the 4th time you will have to confirm this option with the OK buttons like this. And when you will confirm this with the OK button, now your all the forgotten pin, pattern, password are on reconstruction mode. Okay, it means your all the forgotten pin, pattern or password has been deleted. Now your phone is ready to go with the new lock and new password. Okay, now the final step what I'm going to give you, it's most important, so be careful about this step. Now you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page device debugging page. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging page. Now you can see there are also lots of options from this page. The first option is check a small board match main board. The second option is fingerprint test, like this. You can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration. So simply you will have to go with this option. You will have to click on in this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 2 option, 3 option. It may be possible you will see here 2 options or 3 option. Okay, but don't worry about this. When you see here the option is showing here operation not started, and the second option is also showing here operation not started, you will have to simply start this operation by clicking on this option rapidly, and you will have to click on these option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now I will have to repeat these 2 operations start. Okay, so you can see like this, test started, the second option is also test started. Now I will have to click on these options continuously until I get a single test passed message like this. This is a time taking process, my friends, so you will have to keep patience, and continuously you will have to click on these options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now you can see, my friend, my first option, it means both of them one option has been passed. Okay, it means my unlocking method has been completed. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So what will I have to do to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. So simply I will have to click on this home button, and I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this home button. Now you can see my phone has been unlocked completely, and all the data and all the application which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. So it's generally works, my friend. It's my 4-year experience from the service center. This tricks generally works on all the Android phones. Okay, if your phone has been unlocked by this secret code, it means your phone has been unlocked. If your phone could not unlock by this secret code, then subscribe the channel for the further upcoming videos, and it will also help you for the further these type of unlocking method. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next trick.